Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will be learning how to do a clean boot on your computer. The Windows which I have on my computer is Windows 10 version 1903, which is the latest version of Windows 10. If you have any other version also, these are the steps you can perform on your computer and you can do a clean boot. So you will have to open System Configuration Utility. So press and hold the Windows R key to open up the Run window. When you have the Run window open, you need to type in there msconfig and press enter. You will have System Configuration Utility window open. You will see some tabs at the top. You need to click on Services. Now at the bottom left corner, put a check in the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Now simply click on Disable all. Now click on Startup tab at the top, which is next to Services, and click on Open Task Manager, and whatever you see here, disable all of them. Like click on them one by one and click on Disable at the bottom. So that's how you can disable all startup items. Since it is the Windows 10, you will have to disable startup items from Task Manager. If you are using Windows 7, startup items will be there in System Configuration Utility window. So we have disabled all startup items. We will close this, and now on System Configuration Utility window, click on Apply and then click OK. Now you will get a prompt. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. You can simply click on Restart. So our computer has restarted. Now it has only services running which are Microsoft services. There is no third-party service running at the moment, and this process of computer is called a clean boot, wherein only Microsoft services are running and no other service or no third-party services are running. Now if you want to make your computer the way it was earlier or before we did a clean boot, so you'll have to go to the System Configuration Utility window again. So press and hold the Windows R to open up the Run window. Type msconfig in the Run window and click OK. Go to Services, simply click on Enable All, click on Startup, open Task Manager from here, and you can enable whatever you want. So I will leave few things disabled, so I'm not going to enable all of them. I will enable only few services because there is no harm keeping them disabled. Click Apply and OK on System Configuration Utility window, and it will prompt us to restart the computer once again, and we will be restarting the computer again. So our computer has restarted, and that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.